I have been building websites and designing landing pages for over 5 years now, and I personally believe Elementor is the best website builder for WordPress. And today I'm going to share a quick tutorial with you and show you how you can install Elementor on your WordPress website and how you can use it to start building your pages. This tutorial is going to be a quick one, and you will be able to follow along if you already install WordPress on your website. If you do not install WordPress on your website yet, I'm going to release a new tutorial that will show you how to sign up for hosting, buy a domain name, install WordPress. But if you already install WordPress on your website and you are just looking to start building your pages, then this tutorial is for you. And without any delay, I will share my screen and show you how you can install WordPress, how you can install Elementor and start using it on your website. So right now I am in the WordPress dashboard of one of my dummy website. And in order to install Elementor, Elementor is a plugin and it works as a plugin. Whether you have the free version or the pro version, the paid version is a plugin. And if you want to use the free version, then all you need to do is come down to the plugin section on your WordPress dashboard. You come to plugins and you come to add new plugin. When you click on it, when you are on the plugin page, this is the plugin page. This is where you are going to search and add plugins to your website. And all you need to do is to come to this search bar and search for Elementor. Okay, this is it right here. The first one you can see it is by Elementor.com. And Elementor website builder, more than just a page builder, whatever they said, just click install now. And after you install it, you have to click activate in order for it to be available on your website. Okay, that's it. Elementor have been activated on our website. You can see it among some of the other plugins that we already have. You see under installed plugins, these are all the plugins that we already have installed on the website. If you want to add another one, you just come add new plugin and you will be able to search and add another plugin. But this is a pre version of Elementor. If you want to use the pro version, then you have to go to elementor.com, you buy the plugin and they will send it to your email address. Then you can download it and you can come to add new plugin. But since you buy the license, you buy the pro version, you are not going to search for it. Instead, you are going to click upload plugin. When you click upload plugin, you can click browse and you will find it, the file that you downloaded from your email. You can find it and you can install it. But if you want to use the free version, that is all you need to do. Elementor free is already activated. Right now, I'm going to show you how you can use it to build your pages. And the first thing is we are going to create a new page. Let's assume this is a brand new page. We can come to pages and we can come to add new page. Okay, this is where you will be able to add pages, add new pages to your website. And let's say we just want to create a new landing page. So I'm just going to name the page new landing page. Okay, I just click publish. Okay, now the page has been published. If we want to see the page, we can click view page and we can open it in a new tab. So you can see this is our new landing page. Right now it is empty. It only says new landing page and it has the header of the website that we have and the footer of the website. So we are going to change that. In order to start building your website with Elementor, you have to come back to the edit page. If you somehow navigate away from the page, let's say we leave the page without starting building it, you can easily come back to it by coming to pages, all pages, and you can scroll and find the page that you just created. And this is it right here. So in order to start building it, we are going to click edit. Okay, when you are on the page, on the edit page, you can simply click this button that said edit with Elementor. And as soon as you click on it, the page is going to become Elementor page. Okay, so this is Elementor edit page. This is where you are going to be able to start creating your page, building your landing page. Right now, these are all the elements that you can add on your page. If you want to add the first thing, maybe a container, you can click here. Or if you want to use AI, you can click this button. I never use it, so I don't really know how it works. And If you have a template that you can import, you can click here and you can import a template, or you can use some of the pre-made from Elementor, but most of the pre-made from Elementor are only available if you have the premium, the pro version of Elementor. But if you have the free version, you can import your template or use other sources of template. But if you want to just start creating your page from scratch, you can simply start dragging and dropping widget from here. If you click container, you drag container and drop it here. You see the container is here. If we want to add some text, you click this plus icon in order to open all the elements, and you can scroll right here to find what you want to add on the page. If you want to add a heading, you can click heading and click and drag and drop it on the page. You can double click to make changes to the text. If you want to add maybe not a heading, a subheading, you can scroll. Here is text editor. You click and drag and drop it under the heading. Now we have a subheading right here. You can click the plus icon to come back here. If you want to add an image, you click, drag and drop the image. If you want to change the background color or anything, this is how you start building your pages with Elementor. And when you finish, you click publish, and you can refresh this page to see how it is looking. So you see, this is our new page. Kind of an ugly page, but yeah, this is how you start building your page with Elementor Page Builder. So this is just a very basic for someone who is completely new to Elementor, who's someone who doesn't know anything about building a page with Elementor. And the next thing is just try creating some sample pages and just play around with the element just to get an idea of how it works, to get an idea of how the drag and drop builder works. And in our next tutorial, I am going to show you how to build a fully functional landing page with Elementor Page Builder. And don't worry, if you don't already have a domain name and hosting, you don't have WordPress, I am going to release another tutorial that is going to show you how to sign up for hosting, buy a domain name and install WordPress. And when the video becomes available, I am going to link it right here. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.